Good morning. It is a bit of a drier start to the day for many southern areas, but there is a risk of some heavy downpours developing later on into this afternoon and overnight tonight. But a lot of cloud around for most of us, away from the northwest, where we will see the best of the sunshine once again through today across parts of Northern Ireland, western and northern Scotland in particular. But outbreaks of heavy rain will start to develop through central areas, particularly across parts of Wales, central areas of England, where we could see the heaviest rain, perhaps some thunderstorms later on into this afternoon. Now across the south, some sunshine will develop, but that could allow a risk of showers as well across many southern areas. But feeling a little bit warmer across the south coast. The warmest though across the north and west once again, as it was yesterday too. But for central areas, pretty cool feeling day, particularly compared to the weather we had here yesterday. Now the risk of showers becomes even greater overnight for many areas of England and Wales as a plume of wet weather arrives from the near continent, bringing outbreaks of quite torrential rain for many areas overnight. So there could be some surface water issues by the time we get to Sunday morning, but much of that rain should stay clear again of the far north and west. But it's definitely going to be a cloudier night across these areas, and there could be the odd shower here and there across more southern areas of Scotland. Temperatures around 13 or 14 degrees where it stays a bit drier, but where we see this plume move up, actually it's going to be a fairly mild night tonight, but a pretty damp one. So a pretty wet start to the day on Sunday, and it could stay quite wet through a lot of the day. It's worth keeping up to date with the Met Office app to keep an eye on the rainfall through the day if you're heading out and about on Sunday, as there could be some further localised flooding and travel disruption due to this heavy rain, particularly across parts of Wales and central England. There's a further risk of some thundery outbreaks of rain as well. And despite the milder air arriving from the south with a lack of sunshine, temperatures just around 18 to 21 degrees at best. And it's going to be a cooler day for the northwest on Sunday as well. We're starting to get a northwesterly wind, but also there'll be quite a lot more cloud around across parts of Northern Ireland and western Scotland too. Now this northwesterly wind is the first signs of a change to our weather as we head into the start of next week. That's because this low pressure that's brought all this wet weather to the south will drift away to the east, and behind it much cooler air from the northwest will develop, and that will bring further wet weather actually to the north and west from next week, but temperatures below average by day and night. But with more wet weather to come through the next few days, it's worth keeping up to date with the forecast. You can do that by downloading our app or subscribing to our YouTube channel. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.